Welcome to the top best. The best dice rolling tray is probably one of the most essential accessories for any tabletop gamer, offering a dedicated space to roll your dice without fear of them scattering across the table or damaging your surfaces. It not only keeps your dice contained but also adds a touch of style and organization to your gaming setup, ensuring every roll is fair and every die stays within reach. Whether you're playing Dungeons & Dragons, Warhammer, or any other dice-based game, a quality rolling tray can significantly enhance your gameplay experience by preventing lost dice and reducing noise. Number 5. Grajar Portable Folding Dice Rolling Tray Set. This set features a durable PU leather exterior and a soft velvet interior. It effectively muffles dice rolls and prevents scratches or dents on your table surface. You'll receive 2 versatile trays in this cost-effective pack, featuring both navy blue and camel colors. Each tray offers dual-sided use with either the velvet or leather surface. Designed for convenience, these trays easily fold flat for transport. Take them anywhere to enhance your casino, bar, or party dice game experiences with friends and family. When assembled, each tray measures approximately 8 inches wide and 1.75 inches tall. It creates a dedicated arena, perfect for casting your dice in any heroic game. Beyond dice, these trays are also ideal for storing small items like change or trinkets. They are designed to complement any dice set and elevate your gaming sessions. What we like. This set offers incredible value with 2 trays in distinct colors, providing flexibility for different gaming setups or sharing with a friend. The dual-sided feature, allowing you to choose between PU leather or velvet rolling surfaces, adds another layer of customization. If you're looking for a cost-effective and versatile option for your D&D sessions or casual game nights, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The tray is well made and sturdy, providing a stable surface for rolling dice. It effectively contains dice rolls, preventing them from scattering across the table. The felt lining inside the tray is soft and protects dice from damage. Number 4. Octagon PU Leather Dice Rolling Tray. Introducing our premium dice rolling tray, designed for an enhanced gaming experience. Its unique octagon shape offers optimal angles for every roll. Tired of noisy dice rolls disrupting your game? The soft velvet interior of this tray effectively quiets the sound, ensuring a more pleasant atmosphere for everyone. Never lose a die to the floor again. This tray provides a secure space to keep your dice contained, so you can focus on the game. With a spacious 11.5-inch surface, there's plenty of room for all your dice. Roll multiple dice comfortably without worry. Crafted from durable PU leather on the outside and soft velvet on the inside, it's built to last and looks great on any gaming table. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's the perfect accessory for any tabletop game, from Dungeons & Dragons to Farkle. What we like. With an expansive 11.5-inch diameter, this tray provides ample space for even the most chaotic dice rolls, ensuring no dice go rogue. Its premium PU leather construction offers both durability and a sophisticated look for your gaming table. If you frequently roll a large number of dice or simply appreciate a generous and secure rolling area, this is the tray for you. What people say. The tray is large enough to hold multiple dice sets and provides ample space for rolling. The felt lining inside the tray effectively muffles the sound of dice rolling, making it quieter. The magnetic closure is a convenient feature that keeps the tray securely closed for storage and transport. Number 3. Impresa 10-inch brown cowhide leather dice bag and tray. Experience the best of both worlds with this elegant set. It combines a dice rolling tray and a drawstring bag, offering ultimate versatility for any gamer. Crafted from durable brown leather, it's built to last and impress. This set is built tough with genuine leather, providing a sturdy surface to protect your gaming area. Its thick design can handle even heavy metal dice without damaging your table. Make it uniquely yours. The blank front is perfect for customization with initials or designs. It can also serve as a handy holder for keys and coins when you're not gaming. Take your game anywhere with this compact set. It easily attaches to your backpack or belt, and the drawstring ensures everything stays secure during transport. Portability has never been easier. Surprise the role-playing game enthusiast in your life with this perfect combo. It's a thoughtful gift that adds functional elegance to any game collection, making every session memorable. What we like. Crafted from genuine cowhide leather, this set offers a rustic charm and exceptional durability, perfect for those who appreciate natural materials. The included drawstring bag ensures your dice are always protected and ready for transport. If you value a premium, authentic feel and want a matching set for both rolling and storage, this is an ideal pick. What people say. The tray is made of high-quality PU leather, which is durable and soft to the touch. It folds flat for easy storage and transport, making it perfect for gaming on the go. The magnetic closure keeps the tray securely closed, preventing dice from spilling out. Number 2. SIQUK 4-piece foldable PU leather dice tray set. Introducing a set of 4 hexagon dice trays, each in a distinct color, red, black, blue, and violet. This collection is perfect for any tabletop gaming enthusiast. These trays are expertly crafted with a combination of soft velvet lining and durable PU leather. The unique stitching and metal snaps ensure they are both stylish and long-lasting. The soft velvet interior safeguards your dice from scratches and damage. Its smooth texture provides a satisfying feel while keeping your dice contained. Designed for convenience, these trays easily snap together or collapse flat. They are perfect for taking on the go or storing away when not in use, protecting your surfaces. While ideal for polyhedral dice during games like D&D, these versatile trays can also hold various small items. Use them for watches, jewelry, keys, or even candy. Elevate your gaming experience with these practical and durable dice trays. They are an essential addition for any tabletop gamer. What we like. This pack provides an impressive 4 dice trays in a variety of vibrant colors, making it easy to match your mood or gaming group's aesthetic. The foldable hexagon design with metal snaps ensures easy storage and portability. If you often host game nights with multiple players or simply want a colorful and convenient dice rolling solution, this multi-pack is a fantastic option. What people say. The tray is made of high-quality PU leather, which is soft and durable. The felt lining inside the tray prevents dice from rolling off the table and protects your dice. The tray is foldable and portable, making it easy to store and carry. Number 1. SIQUK 2 PCS PU Leather Folding Hexagon Dice Tray. Get ready for your next game night with this set of 2 dice trays. You'll receive one in cyan and one in black, perfect for you or to share with friends. These trays are expertly crafted with a soft velvet lining inside and a durable PU leather exterior. The unique hexagonal design features metal snaps for easy assembly and collapse. The soft interior lining safeguards your dice from scratches, while the PU leather exterior is easy to clean. It ensures your dice stay contained and your table surfaces remain protected. Thanks to the convenient snap design, you can easily fold it flat for storage or transport. It quickly snaps together when you're ready to play, keeping dice from rolling away. This spacious hexagonal tray offers ample room for your polyhedral dice. It's also incredibly versatile, perfect for holding watches, jewelry, keys, or other small items when you're not gaming. What we like. This set offers 2 stylish dice trays in complementary colors, perfect for you and a gaming partner or for having a spare. The durable PU leather exterior and soft velvet interior provide a quiet and safe rolling experience. If you're seeking a practical, portable, and aesthetically pleasing dice tray for your RPG adventures, this duo is a solid choice. What people say. The tray is made of high-quality PU leather, which is durable and feels great to the touch. It folds up easily for storage and travel, making it very convenient. The felt lining inside the tray prevents dice from rolling off the table and reduces noise. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.